Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do experiments related to static electricity. For this experiment we need a balloon, a scarf or a sweater and some piece of paper. So for this experiment you have to rub this balloon on the scarf. So let's check the effect on the paper pieces. Let's check the effect on the water stream. Wow, the water is bending. So let me explain how it works. When you rub an object, it gains static electricity. Static electricity has amazing powers to attract things such as the running water and pieces of paper. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to see the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. The link is in the description below. Bye! See you in our next video.